Learning goals. Welcome to this learning session on exploring cell types and specialized functions. In this course, we shall address cell diversity and prokaryotic features, eukaryotic cells and animal specialization, specific examples of specialized animal cells, plant cell specialization and root hair function, summary of cell specialization. There will be a quiz at the end to test your knowledge.
Introduction to cell diversity. Cells are the fundamental units of life, exhibiting remarkable diversity in structure and function. This specialization allows multicellular organisms to perform complex tasks efficiently, while even single-celled organisms have unique adaptations for survival. Understanding these differences is crucial to comprehending biological processes. For instance, a human body contains trillions of cells, with over 200 different specialized cell types, each contributing to specific bodily functions. This incredible cellular variety enables the complex physiology of higher organisms. Prokaryotic cells, bacteria. Bacterial cells represent a simpler form of life, classified as prokaryotic cells. Unlike animal and plant cells, they lack a membrane-bound nucleus, meaning their genetic material is not enclosed. Despite their simplicity, bacteria are incredibly diverse and abundant, inhabiting nearly every environment on Earth. Bacteria are the most numerous organisms on Earth, with an estimated 5 nonillion, 5 by 10 square 30, individual cells, far outnumbering all other life forms combined. This vast population plays critical roles in ecosystems, from nutrient cycling to decomposition. Bacterial cell components. Within the bacterial cytoplasm, a single, circular loop of chromosomal DNA carries most of the cell's genetic information. This DNA is not enclosed within a nucleus, but is typically found in a region called the nucleoid. Ribosomes, tiny structures responsible for protein synthesis, are also freely dispersed throughout the cytoplasm. These components are essential for the bacterium's growth and reproduction, allowing it to carry out all necessary life processes. Some bacteria can replicate their entire chromosomal DNA in as little as 20 minutes, allowing for rapid population growth under ideal conditions. Bacterial adaptations. Many bacteria possess extra circles of DNA called plasmids, which contain additional genes not found on the main chromosome. These plasmids often carry genes for antibiotic resistance or other survival advantages, allowing bacteria to adapt quickly to changing environments. Furthermore, some bacteria are equipped with a flagellum, a whip-like appendage that enables them to move through their environment. The transfer of plasmid DNA between bacteria, known as horizontal gene transfer, is a major factor in the rapid evolution of antibiotic resistance in bacterial populations worldwide. This mechanism allows bacteria to share beneficial genes, accelerating their adaptation and survival in challenging conditions. In contrast to prokaryotic cells, eukaryotic cells, which include animal and plant cells, are characterized by the presence of a true nucleus and other membrane-bound organelles. This compartmentalization allows for more complex cellular processes and greater specialization. Eukaryotic cells are generally much larger than prokaryotic cells. The largest known eukaryotic cell is the ostrich egg, which can be up to 15 centimeters long, while most human cells are only about 10 to 100 micrometers in diameter. This vast size difference highlights the diverse forms and functions that eukaryotic cells can take. Specialized animal cells. Animal cells exhibit a wide array of specializations, each tailored to perform a specific function within the organism. This specialization is crucial for the efficient operation of tissues, organs, and organ systems. Examples include nerve cells for communication, muscle cells for movement, and various blood cells for transport and defense. The human body alone contains over 200 distinct types of specialized cells, each with unique structures and roles, from the light-sensitive photoreceptor cells in the eye to the bone-forming osteocytes. This cellular diversity allows for the intricate coordination and complex functions of the human body. The human egg cell. The human egg cell, or ovum, is a highly specialized cell designed for reproduction. Its large cytoplasm is packed with nutrients, providing essential resources for the early development of a growing embryo after fertilization. The egg also contains a haploid nucleus, holding half the genetic material required for a new organism. After successful fertilization, the egg cell's membrane undergoes a rapid change, known as the cortical reaction, which prevents any additional sperm from entering, ensuring proper chromosome number in the zygote. This crucial mechanism safeguards against polyspermy, which would lead to an inviable embryo. The human sperm cell. The sperm cell is another highly specialized reproductive cell, engineered for motility and genetic delivery. It features a long tail, or flagellum, which propels it towards the egg. Numerous mitochondria are concentrated at the base of this tail, generating the vast amounts of ATP needed for sustained swimming. At the head of the sperm is the acrosome, a cap-like organelle containing powerful enzymes. These enzymes are released upon contact with the egg, enabling the sperm to digest a path through the egg's protective outer layers and facilitate fertilization. This intricate structure ensures efficient delivery of the haploid nucleus to the egg. Ciliated epithelial cells. Ciliated epithelial cells line various tubes in the body, such as the trachea in the respiratory system. Their most distinctive feature is the presence of numerous cilia, tiny hair-like projections on their surface. These cilia beat rhythmically in a coordinated fashion, creating a current. The coordinated beating of cilia creates a wave-like motion that effectively sweeps mucus, trapped dirt particles, and bacteria upwards and away from the lungs, acting as a crucial defense mechanism against respiratory infections. This continuous cleaning process is vital for maintaining lung health. Plant cell specialization. Just like animal cells, plant cells also exhibit specialization to perform diverse functions vital for the plant's survival. While all plant cells share basic structures like a cell wall and chloroplasts, their shapes and internal organization can vary significantly depending on their role. This allows plants to efficiently carry out photosynthesis, transport water, and absorb nutrients. For example, xylem cells are specialized for water transport, forming continuous tubes, while phloem cells are adapted for transporting sugars produced during photosynthesis throughout the plant. These specialized vascular tissues are essential for the plant's overall growth and survival. Root hair cell function. Root hair cells are a prime example of plant cell specialization found on the surface of plant roots. Their unique, elongated, hair-like shape significantly increases the surface area available for absorption. This extensive surface area is critical for efficiently taking up water and dissolved mineral ions from the soil. The thin cell wall and membrane of root hair cells also facilitate rapid diffusion and active transport of these essential substances, playing a vital role in the plant's hydration and nutrient acquisition. This adaptation allows plants to maximize their uptake from the surrounding soil environment. Summary of cell specialization. Cell specialization is a fundamental principle in biology, enabling both single-celled and multicellular organisms to thrive. From the simple prokaryotic structure of bacteria to the complex, highly adapted eukaryotic cells like sperm and egg cells, each cell type is uniquely structured to perform its specific role. This intricate division of labor underpins the complexity and efficiency of life. The study of cell specialization, known as cell biology, continues to reveal new insights into disease mechanisms and potential regenerative therapies, highlighting its ongoing importance in scientific research. Understanding these cellular adaptations is key to advancing medical and biological sciences.
Summary. Well done, you have completed the course Exploring Cell Types and Specialized Functions. You should now be familiar with cell diversity and prokaryotic features, eukaryotic cells and animal specialization. Specific examples of specialized animal cells, plant cell specialization and root hair function. Summary of cell specialization. Should you need to revisit any of the topics in this course, please use the menu at the bottom of the screen.